Welcome to our guide on how to connect Panasonic TV to Wi-Fi full guide. Today, we're venturing into the world of smart TVs, specifically focusing on Panasonic models. Whether you're trying to kick back with your favorite streaming service or gearing up for a firmware update, having your TV connected to Wi-Fi is an absolute must. In this digital age, your TV's connectivity can transform your entertainment experience and even simplify your life. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to connect your Panasonic TV to your home Wi-Fi network with ease. First, turn on your Panasonic TV and press the menu button on your remote control. This action opens up a world of settings and options on your television screen. Imagine it like the control center of a spaceship, except this spaceship is your Panasonic TV. Take a moment to navigate through this newly discovered universe. You want to locate the network option. This is your gateway to the World Wide Web. Once you've found it, give it a click or a press, depending on your remote. You're now one step closer to connecting your TV to Wi-Fi. Now, you're going to see a list of Wi-Fi networks. These are all the networks within your TV's reach. Amongst these, you will find your home Wi-Fi network. It's the one you use for your devices at home, maybe to stream your favorite songs or to browse the internet. Select your home Wi-Fi network. Next, it's time for a bit of secrecy. You'll be asked for your Wi-Fi password. This is the key to your home Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and input the password. Be careful as you do it, though. You don't want to make any mistakes here. Once you're sure you've got the password right, it's time to seal the deal. Press the back or return button on your remote. This saves your settings and finalizes the connection process. And voila, you've now entered the digital age with your Panasonic TV. It's as if you've just plugged in a giant computer screen right in your living room. You can now stream your favorite shows, browse the internet, and even play online games on your TV. That's it. You've successfully connected your Panasonic TV to your Wi-Fi network. If you're having trouble connecting your TV to Wi-Fi, don't worry. We've got some troubleshooting tips for you. Let's start with the basics. Try restarting your TV. This can often solve a multitude of tech issues. Next, check if your other devices can connect to the Wi-Fi. If they can't, the issue might be with your network, not the TV. If all else fails, consider updating your TV's firmware or seeking professional help. Remember, technology can be tricky sometimes, but with a little patience, you can solve most problems. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide on how to connect your Panasonic TV to Wi-Fi. Remember, from accessing the menu to entering your Wi-Fi password, each step is crucial. Ensuring a stable Wi-Fi connection unlocks your TV's full potential. Which step will you work on first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.